Okay, so let's start the helper video number 10. So for the very first question, I have this structure right here. By the way, anytime you see this R is the rest of the body. So it could be anything. Just R is like CH3 or the, something that we are too lazy to actually write everything. So look like this. So that's the normal structure here. So let's just try to find the resonance structures. When I actually try to do these resonance structures, the key is to not to violate the octet rule here. So, for example, I can actually undo this double bond right here, and then to make a single bond here. Now the carbon is missing 2 electrons, right? Because it has only 6 electrons. So the 2 electrons here, that has to move to the one in between the carbon and nitrogen. And then that and that is not changed. So that's pretty much the resonance structures. So if you actually want to take the average of these guys, and what it look like is actually the dotted line represents the 1.5 line, not quite 2, not quite 1, it's in between. So that's resonance structures. It's each structure goes back and forth to becomes average. So that's average. Alright, that's good. Then formal charge of these structures. So that's going to be a little bit interesting. So you have already done this formal charge, right? So, oh, why is this thing too big? Okay, let's try to use this one. Okay. So for the carbon, it's 4 minus 4 arm, 0 dot, so that's 0, right? So that's 0, 6 minus 2 lines, 4 dot, I'm talking about this one right here, 6 minus 4 dot minus 2 line, that's 0, right? And then the nitrogen, it's also 0, 5 minus 3 line minus 2 dot, that's also 0, right? So for this particular case, everything is 0, but for this one, For the outside, I have 6 left. Okay, so that's pretty much the list of structures using the extended octet. Notice that when I actually use the extended octet, the xenon actually have total of how many? It's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it's 10 electrons nearby. And that is no problem, because for the extended octet, you can actually accommodate up to 12 electrons. So that's pretty much it for the helper video number 10, I think.